If you're getting visitors to your website but you're not making any sales, then here's a very simple way to make money from the existing traffic that is already coming to your website, guys. So in order for this strategy to work, you are going to need to have a blog, okay? So a lot of you guys are missing out on a ton of money because you don't have blogs. You're just out here hoping that someone's going to come to your website, come to your boutique, come to your online course, come to your ebook store and purchase your product instantly. And if they don't buy anything, you don't make any money and you have no other way of monetizing that traffic that is coming to your business, okay? Now here's an easy thing that you can do, guys. Set up a blog. Use that blog to provide valuable content, okay? When you're offering that valuable content, not only are you able to attract customers outside of social media, now you're also able to monetize that blog using Google AdSense, okay? Every single website has a functionality of a blog section where you can share your latest news, you can share valuable content that appeals to your audience, and then what you can now do, guys, is you can register for the Google AdSense program. It's free, and then that allows you to put Google Ads on your blog. So every time someone comes to your website, you can send them to your blog, or you can take the name and email, and then you can then follow up with them by sending them back to your blog post. So not only are they getting value from your brand, guys, you are able to make money by just getting people to read your blog post. And if they read your blog post and view the ads or click on the ads, you actually get paid by Google. They don't have to buy anything, guys. They don't have to buy anything. They don't even have to buy your products and services, and now you're just monetizing the traffic that you already have right now, okay? So if you have a website and you're getting people to your website and they're just not purchasing your products just yet, make sure that you're not missing out on a blog feature, because this is going to provide people value. Not only that, you're able to now make some money from that traffic coming to your blog. Now you're literally able to bank on their data, okay? Now, if you're enjoying this video and you're looking for an even easier way to launch your online business in 7 days or less, yes, that's right, in 7 days from today, my team and I can actually build your online business for you. And this online business comes preloaded with profitable products, digital products, physical products, affiliate products that you can start selling right away and generating passive income, guys. We have so many different niches available, from beauty and skincare, women's clothing, kids clothing, hair, travel, weight loss, so many different niches that you can choose from, guys, and we actually get to build your online business for you, preloaded with profitable products that you can start selling right away and generating income on the internet. So this is not just an online course teaching you how to start an online business. My team and I actually go on to build your online business for you in 7 days or less in a niche of your choice, okay? So you don't have to go through the stress of trying to figure things out yourself, trying to find vendors, trying to build your website, do your funnels. Everything is built for you and ready for you to literally start monetizing your business, okay? And not only that, you also gain access to our weekly marketing training. So every single week, you are going to gain access to a marketing strategy that can help you generate a ton of customers and leads to your business so you can actually make sales and money. This is an all-in-one online business system, guys. We build an online business for you. Simply pick a niche of your choice. We get things set up for you, guys, and then you also gain access to the marketing strategies to help you get customers and sales, okay? So if you guys are interested, check the link in the description below this video or head over to www.funnelpirate.com to activate your online business in 7 days.